Hey everybody, it's Rob again, and we got the pepper pots next to us, or next to me. A little bit of a delay here in what we're doing, and this is a package from Matt. And Matt is always on the live streams, and decided he wanted to send me a pepper, or a couple of peppers, one that I had never tried before. So we're going to do a quick unboxing.
Sounded pretty scary by what Rob was saying.
Oh no, these are relatively mild ones. Well, that's interesting. We got a sticker in here for Space City Peppers. Yeah, Space City Peppers. So,
Pretty cool.
Matt from Space City Peppers has sent a nice cool looking sticker there. And another nice cool looking sticker there. So that's pretty cool. And he mentioned something about an unusual container that they were in. Looks like a salt type container or something like that. Oh yeah. So that looks like a cayenne, because he said he sent a cayenne.
Long, slim cayenne.
I'm glad I put these in the fridge when they came. And then we have a Scotch bonnet. Oh, and I don't know, these little red ones are the ones that he wanted me to try. So these are really small and pretty mild and have a real nice flavor to them.
Are those like cherry peppers?
I don't remember the name of them right off the top of my head. I can maybe look it up real quick, because he sent me a listing stating what each of them were.
I'm smelling it like it smells like chocolate, but then I realized I've been working at the vape shop, so why wouldn't my fingers smell like other things?
Okay, the one that you're holding on to is the CP113 peppers, and they have a really long name that's in Spanish that I can't pronounce. He says, I ate one this afternoon off the bush and it wasn't sweet like the first one I ate, so he says be careful with it. So he sent 2 cayennes. Oh, these got to be the pimentos. 2 pimentos, a few of the CP113s, those are those, and they're a Barro de Robiero and a Bohemian day goat. So I don't know what the difference between a Bohemian goat and a Bohemian day goat is.
One of these two then has to be...
Yeah, those 2 are pimentos. Because he said 2 cayenne, 2 pimentos, a few of the CP113s, and the Bohemian day goat.
Okay.
So that's what we got here. So, being as it's 90-some degrees in outside, and it's about 85, 88 degrees in here because the air conditioning decided that it didn't want to work today,
Oh, yeah.
we're not going to be doing a taste test on these right now. But, yeah, interesting container. I don't know where that came from. Must be a almost like a salad jar or something. That's my date on it anyway.
Looks relatively custom made, whatever it is or was anyway.
Yeah, it works, and it kept the peppers in perfect shape, Matt. So just so you know. And in the next day or two here, we are going to take and do the taste tests on these. Yeah. Those, they look like tomatoes. They're harder than tomatoes. I mean, they got a nice firm body to them. But
That's what I thought at first too, was they were cherry tomatoes, and then I was like, why would he be sending peppers and cherry tomatoes? That didn't make sense. I figured it had to have some heat to it.
yeah, because a couple weeks back on one of the live streams, he sent me a message in the background saying, how would you like to try a different pepper? And I said, basically said, okay, what you got? And he sent me a link to the description of it, and I said, okay, sure. And here they are. So, Mr. Matt from Space City Peppers, I would like to thank you very much for sending these. Expect a couple of upcoming videos on them. The cayennes look really good. The pimentos, I haven't had one of those yet. Have you?
Not that I'm aware of anyway, not that I'm aware of.
Okay, so we're in for a treat hopefully there. The CP113s, is it?
Yeah, the little guys.
Yeah, those look pretty interesting, and the goat should prove to be alright too. Alright, with that said, anything else from you?
This should be interesting. Watch these come in video.
Alrighty then. Thank you much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. You know the buttons down below. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified. And yeah, leave a comment. I usually get back to everybody within a day or so. Alrighty. Thank you much, and we'll see you later. Bye.